Is it time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we will explore the intricacies of Palantir. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any vital updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since April 15, 2025, our system has ranked Palantir as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 4.06. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 35.34% since we first listed Palantir as a buy candidate 34 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.04% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are anticipated. The current 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 65.26% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 36.37% to 77.60%. When examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of around 220.38%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 119.55% to 275.55% over the next year. In practical terms, this suggests that the future price could fall between $292.38 and $500.12. Our latest daily update for Palantir includes the headline, Palantir stock price up 0.86% on Tuesday. The Palantir stock price gained 0.86% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, rising from $132.04 to $133.17. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a short break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.97%, with a day low of $130.10 and a day high of $135.27. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 5.41% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 3 million shares, with a total of 89 million shares traded for approximately $11.83 billion. It's important to note that falling volume on rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $135.27, while the lowest price was $21.04. Currently, the price is 1.55% or $2.10 below the 52-week high of $135.27, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Palantir Technologies continues to demonstrate strong performance amidst broader market challenges. Recently, the company reported significant gains, with shares up over 75% year-to-date and an impressive 519% increase over the last year. This upward trend is supported by substantial government contracts, including a federal agreement to develop a comprehensive citizen database. This contract, alongside other partnerships, emphasizes Palantir's expanding presence in the defense sector, which is crucial as military spending in the United States rises. Additionally, Palantir's recent collaborations with artificial intelligence technology, particularly through its Foundry platform, are fostering innovation and attracting both existing and new clients in both the public and private sectors. The overall demand for AI solutions is expected to grow, aligning well with Palantir's service offerings. In the short term, these developments could lead to a continued positive trend in Palantir's stock, potentially driving prices higher as government and defense expenditures increase. Analysts have a median price target for Palantir at approximately $100.13. However, there is optimism that strong revenue growth may lead to upward adjustments in forecasts. In the longer term, The combination of technological adoption, strategic government contracts, and robust market growth in data services presents a compelling growth narrative. Predictions suggest that by the year 2030, Palantir could see revenue exceed $8 billion, resulting in a stock price target of around $192, indicating substantial upside potential. This trajectory underscores Palantir's significant role as a leader in artificial intelligence and data analytics, positioning it favorably for sustained investor interest in the future. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned PLTR a neutral grade with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Citigroup also gave PLTR a neutral grade with a hold action. On that day, Loop Capital Markets rated PLTR with a buy grade while maintaining a hold action. Moving to Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned PLTR a neutral grade with a hold action. On the same date, UBS also rated PLTR as neutral with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Palantir stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Palantir. The Palantir stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. On downward corrections, support can be expected at $127.11 and $116.34. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, and thus far, the stock has risen by 22.33%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. However, volume decreased during the last trading day despite price gains, indicating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. This stock warrants close monitoring. There are also some negative signals that may impact short-term developments. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 20 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 50 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average reflects a buy signal from 39 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 35 days ago. Upon examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 39 days ago. The long-term moving average also reflects a buy signal from 39 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 239 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. Palantir finds support from accumulated volume at $131.78, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk level is regarded as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $5.17 between its high and low, representing 3.97%. In the past week, the stock's daily average volatility was 4.42%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Palantir, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high price-to-earnings ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 4th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 14 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Palantir. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, Palantir encounters its first support level at 131.78. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Palantir from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Buckley Jeffrey, who bought and sold 1,776 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 18.827. Overall, insiders acquired 6,846,426 shares and disposed of 10,197,694 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $126.68, representing a decrease of 4.87%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 19 days ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, coupled with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Palantir stock to perform well in the near term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems determine that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 4th of June, we anticipate that Palantir will open lower by approximately 32 cents and begin trading at $132.85. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.